Great, so we're going to start our writing road with review today. So let's go through and say our cards. A, ah. K, s, d, d, g, j, a, o, u. S, z, qu, b, e, i, ya, I, e. I, j, u, Okay, and we're back to the beginning. All right, so our new letter is, just make sure I'm holding it up. There we go. P. All right, so let's write our P. Over here at our line, we have our top line, our base line, and our dotted line. So start at the dotted line, pull a straight line below the base line to a point above the dotted line below. Without lifting your pencil, go back up the same line to just below the dotted line. Go clockwise, just touching the dotted line. Curve from the 10 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8. All right? So it sits on that base line there. So let's try another one. Starting at the dotted line, pull a straight line down past the base line without lifting your pencil. Go straight back up, curving from the 10, touching the dotted line, to the 2, to the 4, touching the base line, back to the 8. P. We're going to do one more. Starting at the dotted line, pull a straight line down below the base line. Without lifting your pencil, follow that line straight back up, curving at the 10, touching the dotted line, around to the 2, the 4, touching the base line, up to the 8. P. All right, so 3 P's. And the rest of the line we're going to do with review. So what I have here is my little board, and I'm going to spin it, and I'm going to see what it lands on, and that will be one of our reviews. So here we go. All right, so that's number 6. So let me look through the cards here and get which one is number 6. So number 6, ah, oh, ooh. Oh, this is an easy one for you. Starting at the 2 on the clock, go around, starting at the 2 at the clock, go up towards the 12, just touching the dotted line, go around the circle from the 8 on down, touch the base line, past the 4, back to the 2. Ah, oh, ooh. All right, let's give our spinner a spin again. That's what happens when it falls off. Put it back on. We'll slant it out here a little bit better. Oh yeah, it needs on a little bit more. I'm gonna move it out here so it's slanted when it spins. All right, number 1. Do you remember what 1 is? Ah. All right, so we started the 2, just like the O. Go up towards the 12, touching that dotted line. Without lifting the pencil, go around, okay, to the base line, back to the 2, and then pull a straight line down the baseline. Ah, a, ah. All right, and we'll do one more before we come up with some words. Okay. Ooh, it says number 2. Number 2. Number 2 is k-s. All right, another one that starts up here at the 2 on the clock. Starts at the 2 on the clock. Without lifting your pencil, go up towards that base, that dotted line, come around the curve, touching that baseline and stopping at the 4. K-s. All right, so you have 3 P's, an O, an A, and a C today to work on. Now, let's get one. I'm going to give you one word, and then I want you to come up with one P word, a word that starts with P. And then we're going to write a sentence, okay? So the word is pop. P, P. Second sound is ah. Ah, o, oo. Pop. P. Okay? So, this is my sentence, all right? Pop, because it's starting the sentence, it has to have a capital letter. I'm going to move you just a little bit so you can see. Let's see. Gotta figure out which way. There we go. So you can see my sentence. So it's the first word in the sentence is capital. So the big P up here. Pop. P. O. P. Goes. G. G. O, E, S, and then the sight word the, T, H, E. So pop goes the weasel. Now I've run out of space, so I'm going to write it down here. But you would write it on your lines. So, and then a period at the end, because all sentences end with a period. All right, can you see the weasel there? W-E-A-S-L-E. Pop goes the weasel. And I'm going to pick this up and move it closer so that you can see back. All right, let me see if I can get it just right. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. That's always fun to look at Dr. Hilton. Huh. So there's your P's, and then your pop, and then goes the weasel. All right, so there you go. Pop goes the weasel. Then you can draw me a picture of your weasel going pop, all right, on your Writing Road paper. All right, so that's our review for today. I downloaded the Writing Road paper again for you in case you need it. If you already have copies of it, that's great. And practice, do your best. And you can keep those papers in your notebook and give them to me when we see each other again. All right, see you later.